Hi amazing hackers, welcome back to the another episode of Hack the Matrix. So in this video we are going to set up Metasploitable 2 in our Windows operating system using VMware. So first of all start to download Metasploitable 2. After that click on sourceforge.net and click here to download latest version of Metasploitable 2 files. So in my case I have already downloaded Metasploitable 2. It can take around 10 to 20 minutes for the downloading according to your internet speed. So first of all go and extract this. After that turn on VMware and click on open a virtual machine. So choose where you are downloaded. So see here metasploitable.vmx. After that click on open and click here play virtual machine and click any option and it will take I think 2 to 3 minutes for the setup. So we have successfully downloaded Metasploitable 2 in our VMware Oracle virtual machine. So first of all log in here using username msfadmin. Also password is same msfadmin. So we have successfully logged in. You run any command on here. So we run ls dir and cd. So all Linux commands are working here. So our main task to see IP address of this machine. So type here ifconfig and see in my case I have IP address 192.168.131.129. So first of all copy this IP address and search on any search engine. 192.168.131.129. After that hit enter and you will see our machine is successfully running. So we have here 5 machines live for the testing purpose. So we are going here embeddable web application. So see here we have one more login form where username is admin and password is also password. So click to login and see there are various labs, brute forcing, CSRF file inclusion. So this lab we will cover in next videos. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it.